Next up, we have Quizkit, another cool quiz builder app. Unlike Rakama Quiz Builder, Quizkit uses AI to act like a personal shopper for your customers. It asks the right questions and instantly matches them with the perfect product, whether it's skincare, supplements, or fashion. Once you install the Quizkit app, you'll see this interface. Here, click on the Create Quiz button. Next, you need to select some products. You can add one of your collections or your best-selling products. For now, I will manually select some random products from here. And then I will click on this Continue button. Now, Quizkit will take some time to analyze the products, and then it will automatically create the entire quiz for you. Of course, since it's completely AI-generated, the accuracy can be questionable, but you can always go ahead and recreate the entire quiz once again. Quizkit offers 20+ ready-made quiz templates, powerful analytics and integrations options too. It's perfect for data-driven brands. The built-in A/B testing feature lets you see which quiz works best, helping you optimize sales like a pro. With all these features, the pricing plans of Quizkit are also very high. The free plan is only available for development stores. The paid plans start from $59, which only allows 500 quizzes per month. If we compare it with Rakama Quiz Builder, you'll notice that it is 10 times costlier. And it has 2 other plans which are even costlier than this one. Of course, if you look at the rating and reviews, you'll see that it has nearly 200 reviews, with over 175 5-star ratings, which is really impressive. You can access this app using the first link down below in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.